Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, owner of a Google partner company and SEO expert. So today, I'm here with another amazing case study regarding Google Ads account, which was originally suspended for circumventing system, and there were few things were different in this case study, which is why this is going to be a very exceptional learning case study. So without wasting any time, let's get started on the case study I have. So here you can see. Let me show you the first. So this was an original mail. We got it for like one day ago, and you can see that your account, ads account 243-474-7754 has been suspended for circumventing system violation. You can see over here that they call it for a circumventing system, and you have been suspended for violating our circumventing system policy. Suspended accounts are prohibited from showing all ads in all locations. And the one of the main reason circumventing system is either confusing your users or clocking or other claims, but this is a very hard suspension if you compare it with unpaid balance or suspicious payment. I believe that the counterfeit or the circumventing system are very hard suspension errors, so which is why we were very concerned. And the surprising thing which I wanted to tell you over here is that the account did not even have added the billing information yet we created some ads yet, but we didn't added even billing information on the account as well, but still it was suspended. Let me refresh in front of you guys, so you guys have an idea that this is a complete not editing. Here you can see now. Let me move on to the notifications, and you can see that your account is unsuspended. Your account has been deactivated and is able to run ads again. You might need to update your billing information before your ads can run. So you can see over here that the even the stuff has been created over here as well. Everything is approved as well. But what I'm going to tell you over here is that is very surprising was that the account which was suspended for circumventing system without even having billing information, which because we sell accounts as well, because we are a Google partner company and we are authorized to sell accounts. I'm showing you one of the case study like this. So I hope you like it. And if you look around over here, is that it's hard to pass this violation, and people can even the egregious violation is very difficult violation, or even the counterfeit or even the circumventing system. These are very difficult violations to cross on, but we are glad that we were able to get it resolved. So in case if you need help with a Google Ads account, Facebook Ads account, or SEO or Bing Ads restoration, me and my company can help you. If you need help in management of the accounts, in case if you need audit of the account, in case if you need help in creating new account, new campaign setups, new strategies, we can help you. Just make sure to click on the link in the description, and you can work with me and my team. And in case if you like this video, make sure to like and share this video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I put a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. And if you ask me guys on what was done on the account, so yeah, we have a dedicated manager, and we get it restored through discussions, through looking on the account. There was no such violation, and it was an accidental suspension by Google. So all the blame is on the Google for this, but we asked for a manual review, and through the manual review we got it restored. So thanks for my team as well, who constantly was in touch with Google regarding the restoration, and the backup and follow up of any project is very important to get it up and restored. So I like to credit this project. I like to credit this claim of restoring the account to my team. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.